Hey friends, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I'm doing my first vlog ever. I am waiting at the Portland airport. I'm gonna fly from Portland to New York and then New York to the Dominican Republic, and I thought I would try my hand at vlogging and just make kind of a video scrapbook of the trip and what I do and just all the exciting things that are to come. And so I have some books to read, some Bible journaling stuff, and I'm hoping to get a good night's sleep tonight. We'll see how that goes. But I'm so excited to take you all on this journey. So stay tuned, get excited. Be sure to subscribe to the Creative Faith YouTube channel and give this video an advanced thumbs up.
Attention standby customers for flight 519 to Atlanta. If you do not have your seat assignment, please see me here at gate number 11. If you do not have your seat assignment and you're flying standby for flight 519 to Atlanta, please see me here at gate number 11.
So we'll see how filming this goes, but I made it from Portland to New York. I have a few hours here waiting till my next flight. I slept pretty well on the first flight, which is surprising because normally I don't sleep super well on flights, but I think it's just because I was so dang tired. And I just got Starbucks for breakfast. It was really cool. Yesterday at church, one of my friends handed me a Starbucks gift card and said, "Breakfast on me tomorrow." And so that was just a really cool example of God's provision. So I brought some Bible journaling stuff, of course, to do while I'm waiting, and I wanted to give you guys a little peek into what that looks like. So this is my setup. I have this really fun gold traveler's notebook cover that I got from Michael's, and I have my New Hope pencil pouch, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description box below so you guys can get this. It supports a really awesome safe house and work environment for women in the Dominican Republic. It is full of washi tape and watercolors and pens, and also have a water pen and a glue pen. So I'll link this below. This is my very favorite glue pen that I love to use, and I have my Designs by Rachel Beth watercolors and my Dots and Dust watercolors, which I will link both of their Etsy shops below, but they're so tiny it makes it really easy to travel with. And then for washi tape, I stick them on these tags, so I obviously love washi tape a lot. Then inside the front cover, I have this Brave clip from my friend Lisa and Gail's shop, Let Love Spill Over, and I'll link their Instagram below. And then I have some goodies tucked in here. I have some prayer request cards from Allie Scraps, and I'll link those below. And then I have this watercolor dot card from my friend Tanya. Her shop is called Messy Bible, and I haven't used it before, but I'm excited to try it. I thought, again, it would be a really simple, easy way to travel with watercolors. And then these are the stickers I designed with, they designed them. The colors match my ABC's Christmas kit from By the Well for God, and I'll link those below. And I have some sticky notes and some Beloved Society devotions. And then this was a hack, I think it was from Pink Paper Peppermints, I'm not sure, with taking two Target Dollar Spot pouches and then taping them together and using it as an insert, and I love it. It's a perfect spot to store printables, and so I have my Courageous printable from my Etsy shop, which I'll link below, and my prayer journaling printables, and the Ruth and Naomi kit called Road Trip Time. And on the side I have some Project Life cards and some Beloved Society girls. but it is a really easy way to travel with rentals. And then I brought 3 traveler's notebooks. The first one I brought is from Love Society, and I pre-prepped the pages with paint and some stamps and distress inks, and so that way I'm not kind of starting from scratch. And then I have my Courageous Traveler's Notebook that I'm trying to finish since it's 2019, and where I'm just documenting courageous women, men and women from the Bible. And then I have one more that I had to put in my checked luggage because I ran out of room in my carry-on, and it is my Scripture Lettering Challenge notebook, which my friend Amanda at Move the Mountains is doing. So that's a little peek into my Bible journaling stuff that I brought. And so check out the links in the description box below to see these products. To Santiago!
Woo!
I found this guy at the airport. That's my boyfriend Juan.
Yes, I wait for this girl a lot time, but she's here now, and I hope we hope this time will be awesome, really.
So today, after he picked me up, we went out to eat because I was so hungry. Went to one of my favorite restaurants, Chef Pepper, and we had yuca mash, which is like mashed yuca. It's kind of like mashed potatoes.
Yes.
Covered in cheese. And then what did we do?
After that?
I went to the supermarket.
Yes.
Exchanged money from dollars to pesos.
Chan chan.
And then we stopped over at his parents' house and saw his nieces and nephews, which was really fun. They were pretty excited. They said, "We've been waiting for you."
Yes, they have many energy.
Yeah, I want some.
You don't think what is. Yes, you don't. You don't think.
You can't imagine
Yes.
how much energy they have. And then now we're at his brother and sister-in-law's house. I'm staying here for the week, and we're just hanging out, resting after day 1.
Hi and goodbye.
Here we are in day 2. We're eating lunch, and we have yummy salad and croquetas, which is like fried on the outside and creamed chicken on the inside. It's one of my favorite things to eat here. And then chinola juice.
Hi everybody. I will take a guanabana. I don't know if you can see, but follow me. Check it out. This is guanabana. This is a sweet fruit for juice, and yes, it's very good. So I will take.
You can do it!
I will. Yes. Watch out.
You got it?
Yeah.
Is there a different
it's
one?
very difficult for pick it up.
Ay, ¿qué se cayó? Hillary.
And
Okay, I'm sorry. But this is the guanabana after down.
it took a fall.
Yes. So, but still a sweet fruit, and we'll be make a juice for with that. So,
Yum!
goodbye.
Alright, here we have the final product. Cham Cola is what it's called when it's mixed with milk.